Alright guys, so the Bigniu BGS Pro. You know, my son, he already has his first flat tire. I wanted to go through a couple things to let you guys know what I don't like. The rear hub on this bike, this motor, does not come with a disconnect. Meaning the cord is ran from the motor all the way up to the controller. Are you serious right now? Like, how am I supposed to take my tire off and work on it? Are you telling me I need to unwire it from my controller? Come on, Bigniu. Let's do better. So outside of that, I've never done... This is a 70 by 100 by 19 inch rim. I've never really done one of these, so we're going to dig into it, see what it's like. So I did want to share that with you. I mean, all in all, I love the bike, but you got to think, you know, you got to think about maintenance when you're putting something together like this. Making quick disconnects, you know, things like that would definitely make it user friendly. So anyways,
show them how to take the chain off.
Outside of that, this chain does not have a master link in it. I don't have the tool to press it out and make a master link. It's pretty tight all the way forward, and the chain is still pretty tight. We got to kind of force it off a little bit. So that's what we'll do. Keep going, James. All right. I don't like that sound. I don't want to do damage to my bearing, but kind of is what it is. So we have all of our stuff off, right?
Yep, everything's off.
Take that rear tire off. Obviously it's heavy. You're gonna bring it down underneath that foot, a kickstand. Then you're going to lay it to its side.
Come on.
Directly under the bike. This wire, right?
Yeah.
We got a thunderstorm rolling. Anyways, so it's kind of what we're dealing with, right? You got the cord. I mean, unless there's a quick disconnect underneath this controller somewhere, but
There's wire. I don't see anything. It literally just goes straight up in to here. Oh yeah, it literally goes straight into red or yellow, blue, and green.
okay.
But there is a connector right here that connects to those. Like, it's right here.
So you can disconnect it?
Maybe. So there's yellow, red, white, and black. Connects to yellow, blue, green.
Okay. So what I'm seeing, and hey, you know, we're improvising. We don't have a bike stand, so I got it on the come along hanging from the ceiling. This will work. I mean, we can work on it. It's just kind of stupid. So anyways, we'll work on getting this tire out. You got the wrench for that? I think they're calling it like a bomb cyclone. Something going on. But that's some rain. It's been on and off like this all day. Man, hopefully I don't catch your tire, man.
definitely got my tire there. Maybe that's not the best tool we could use. Maybe put like a paper towel under it. They don't
Some
scratch
tape?
anything.
You got some tape?
Like, what kind of tape? Like, electrical tape?
Yeah. Grab some tape around this one. Alright guys, as you can see here, we're kind of struggling getting this tire off. I did not have the actual kit. We're trying to use flatheads and things like that to make it happen. I do not recommend this. You can damage your rim. You can see I'm utilizing a span wrench that we use to loosen and tighten our suspension on the bike to kind of stick it in the tire, make it to where it's gonna hold me there. So yeah, I would recommend watching the video. Go to the link, get an actual rim protector, and you know, they sell this whole kit, but it was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually like a dirt bike tire compared to a regular bike tire that we can just pop off. So super tight. Okay, hold on. I seen a trick that I seen a guy do. And the trick was, you get the other side off now. Yep, that's exactly what you do.
Drop it. Not like drop it, but like.
So I need to get this side off. Which is putting tension on your wire. Can we put the tire up here?
Probably.
Hold up, hold up.
I don't know if I like that. Some sprocket, that's fine.
Grab some blue rags. Lay it over the metal so that we don't have metal to metal contact.
Good.
Still a lot of rain. These things look like the perfect tool, man. But I don't want to scratch your rim.
Alright, so we're going through a bomb cyclone right now in Sacramento, California. It's coming down pretty hard outside. But what we're trying to do here is we're going to pop this tire off so the rim sits in the middle of the tire. And then you should be able to position the rim down a little bit more so you can slide it over the top. Let's see if we can make this happen for you guys so you can see what it looks like.
let me see it real quick.
Oh, it's hailing.
We got some hail going on, people. Now that is a get the girls, get the girls, get the girls, get the girls. Yeah, on the shoe rack. There's 2 of them. It's hailing. It's hailing. You see the ice? Hailing. You see the ice?
Wow.
See the ice balls right here?
That's me. What are they doing?
And are we about to have a tornado?
Probably.
Look at the wind going off the back of the van over there.
Oh, we're having a tornado.
Oh my gosh.
That's we're going to have a tornado.
Wow.
Look, Lexi.
Straight flash flood.
Oh, my.
Am I recording?
Can I go put my boots on and stuff? Lexi, look. I know. It's flooding. I'm going to put on a jacket and, you know.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude.
Hey, Mama, go use your car and get this to your sister.
Drive safe, please.
I know.
Bro, that is...
Why don't you just wait till the rain clears? Try to clear up soon.
That's a lot of water, bro. Oh my gosh. Wow. We're gonna have to flood the garage. I'm gonna have to shut the garage. We gotta shut the garage.
Change your box. You need to move your box.
Shut the garage.
It's not in the garage.
It's gonna go under the garage.
No, it got its gasket on the bottom. All right, back to the bike. Now that we cleared the gutters. All right.
It's so deep. Come on, Max. Go see how deep it is.
All right, and the secret I seen was you push that, and then where's the stem at?
Right here.
Get the stem out of there.
Okay.
Okay. So once you push it, then you push this off the tire. See what I'm saying?
That?
Boom. That's the trick I learned.
Now we have to go.
We should have taken it off the tire the other way.
Thunder.
So
I'm
just
scared
pull it
of
around.
thunder.
Pull it around the tire. Pump it up.
Feels like there's like no slime in there.
Because it's all around. So let's pump it up and roll it around and see if it plugged the hole. No. I take it off. It's over here. The slime hole's right there.
That's where
Let me see that though.
So what, it was like only right there? I thought the slime was supposed to like patch the hole. Right?
Where's that black cap that I used to take the valve stem out?
I tightened it. Like after you did it, I put it back on and tightened it a little more. Wait, tighten it or take it out?
Making sure it's tight. Bring me the pump. Yeah, let's start actually in the backside.
Okay, ready?
Let's start with the tire on the back. So we gotta scoot this rim forward a little bit. Okay. It's not just gonna slide on.
No. Nowhere near just slide on. Once we get this part in, the rest will slide in. The tape's right there.
Alright.
If we poke a hole through the top, it'd go a lot better. That's probably good. Hopefully.
I want you to push the tire down now.
That's
Okay.
not all of it though.
Yeah, but we just want to clear the rim now. Come on, man. You're supposed to hold it in place.
Alright guys, as you can see here, we're using these spanner wrenches once again, trying to do this job. This is where we
Make
ran
sure you're not
into
getting
the
that tire,
problem.
dude.
Yeah, no. That's what I was just
You
gonna check.
need rim protectors, and you need the right leverage to be able to pop this,
Oh
this
my
tire back on this rim. So as you can see right here, it gets pretty hectic.
Maybe you should just go for the middle, like. Yep. Oh, popped
Don't
off.
let it pop off. Dang.
Good.
Right there. Keep that tool right there. Bro. Is there like a reason why it's this hard? Do we have a third tool?
Grab one. Let me try to let some air out.
Yeah. I think you're right. You should have grabbed the big blue ones. Let me see those back. You let some air out?
That's the plan.
Who's that black?
Goo's coming out. Maybe just try to use force. May the force be with us? I don't know. Bike tires are definitely harder than car tires.
Watch out. Might. Gonna mess up your rim, dude. You have to spray paint it back black.
Yeah, that's fine.
Where the freak is the black electrical tape?
It's over there. Right there.
We need to buy some top-notch tools, man.
Yeah. Stephanie's not walking right. Still working on the bike? I'm gonna call it. Get back in there. Dude, that scared me.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we were defeated on this. This is actually the link to the tool set that you would need to get. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please watch again and stay hyped.